Self-introduction for college students. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jessica. I am 19 years old. I am from California. I have completed my years of education at Pinewood Secondary School. My hobbies are playing basketball and gardening. I'm into reading fantasy novels as well. J.K. Rowling is my favorite novelist. My favorite subject is maths because it is challenging and interesting. I like working with numbers. I am a very outgoing person, and I love to meet new people. Post-college, I aspire to work in the sales industry. I'm excited to start my college life. It is an exciting phase of life. I am looking forward to meeting all of you and getting to know you better. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me.